let's be honest. The biggest risk with AI right now isn't that it sounds like a robot. We're past that. The real risk is that it sounds incredibly human while being very confidently wrong very often. It's 2026 now, the AI market's matured from hype to pragmatism, and wary buyers want some proof over the promises. Right now, ungoverned AI use is going to cost B2Bs over $10 billion this year, all because these models are designed to predict the next word, not verify the absolute truth. And if they don't know the answer, they're just guessing. So imagine this, you're a marketing director, you're preparing for a massive Q3 leadership meeting, your team used an AI agent to draft a strategic campaign and a vendor contract. It looks polished, looks authoritative, but hidden inside are completely fabricated stats and phantom legal citations. And you just presented a potential liability to your board, all because you didn't set the rules of engagement. So how do we fix this? You don't need a computer science degree, you just need a proper workflow. We have to stop guessing, and we have to give our AI explicit custom instructions. Tell it to say, if you don't know something, say I don't know. If it lacks the data and it doesn't have the confidence, do that. Ground your data. Stop using generic public models for repetitive tasks. Use RAG, retrieval augmented generation. Basically what that means is point your AI directly at your Google Drive or your SharePoint and let it ascertain and detect the facts, not just Google the internet. Build that expert loop. AI is not replacing your skills, it's removing the grunt work. Build a second pass review into your process so a human can audit that chain of thought. Because if you skip this, you're going to get digital spaghetti. You're going to get incomplete, outdated data that leads to misinformed decisions and big reputational risk, not just to your company, but to you. So when these fabrications appear in marketing copy or sales outreach, it's just going to kill your trust and credibility out there. And this is how you stop guessing and start scaling. Hallucinations aren't a bug that's going to magically disappear. It's a property of AI that we have to learn to manage. And by layering on some rules and data and human oversight, that black box is going to become a reliable teammate. Try this out. Open up your company's primary AI tool and ask yourself, do we have any guardrails in place? Grab a notepad and write down the top 3 ways your team uses it. If you don't have a policy, you are exposed. You can try building these guardrails yourself or have someone on our team reach out and we can install a proven system for your team. Check out our AI branding and guardrails console to get started. Love to chat with you. This is Brains, Bots, and Business. We'll catch you on the next one.